So Boat recently dropped new earphones in the Boat Basshead 100 series, like the 152, which I did a video about it, 162, 172, 182 and many more. So today's video is about the Boat Basshead 162. Let's get into it. Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shivam here. And today we are taking a look at the Boat Basshead 162. So as per the rituals of our channel, let's unbox this and see all the contents of the box, and then we will talk about the earphones. So here is the ugly Amazon packet, and we are not interested in this. So let's just don't waste any time and quickly open this up. So here is the retail packaging of the Boat Basshead 162, and as you can see, here is the Boat logo on the front, and here is the tagline, which is Lit Vibes. Here we have a photo of Jacqueline Fernandez, and below this it says Basshead 162. Now as we move further, it says Boat here also, and on the back, as you can see, the earphones are sitting nicely in the package through this window. And below this it says Super Extra Bass, inline mic for calls, which is great, angle 3.5mm jack, and braided tangle-free cable. Now below this it also says the MRP of the device, which is 1,299 rupees, but you can get this for 500 rupees from the links down below in the description, so make sure you check that out. And that's pretty much it for the readings of the box, and now let's quickly open this up. So inside the box, as you can see, here are the earphones itself. Let's take them out. So first impression is that the earphones feels very lightweight, and this would be very convenient to use. We also have an inline mic to answer calls, but there is only one button which you can use to answer calls or reject calls, and there is no volume control on the inline mic. We also have a braided tangle-free cable, so this would be very good, and we have a 90-degree 3.5mm jack. So let's put this aside and see what else do we have in the box. So here are some extra ear tips for precise fit, and last but not the least, we get some product catalog, all their products, and this tiny warranty card. So that's it for the unboxing of the Boat Basshead 162, and now let's test them out and see how they perform in the real world. So let's kick this review by talking about the design of the Boat Basshead 162. So first up is the design of these earphones. So for the design, they are very lightweight earphones. You can easily put them into your ears and forget about it that you are wearing any earphones, and they roughly weighs around 5 to 10 grams, and they are also quite comfortable earphones. I was able to listen to them for a long time, like for 2 hours, without any pain. Along the lightweight design, the Boat Basshead 162 are also plastic. Unlike the Boat Basshead 152, which were metal earphones, these earphones feels a little plastic, and I am a bit skeptical about the build quality. So let's see how long they last. Now with the earphones, we also get a 1.2 meter long braided tangle-free cable, so you don't have to worry about the cable itself. Now on the wire, we also get an inline mic with a button to answer calls, change songs, and for using Google Assistant or Siri. Unfortunately, we don't get any volume rocker to adjust the volume, but this is all that we get. And just like any other inline mic on any earphones, these also just sound decent. So now, coming down to the most important factor when buying any audio device, which is the sound quality itself. So now let's talk about it. So the Boat Basshead 162 are pretty decent sounding earphones. They produce an excellent frequency response with excellent bass, although I accept that they have a very good bass response, but when it comes to high frequencies, they lack a little bit in high frequencies, and the songs sound a little bit muddy. If you are the one who prefer to listen extra bass, then you will find joy using these earphones. But if you are like me, who listen to very balanced songs, a very balanced frequency response, then you might not like these earphones. But coming down to the price of these earphones, which is 500 rupees, but I've got this for 450 rupees as I got this in the lightning deal, which you can also check out from the links down below and try your luck. But for the price, if you don't want to spend too much money on an earphone, then these are pretty decent sounding earphones for 500 rupees, I guess so. But if you have a little bit more money to spend on an earphone, then you can also check out the Sennheiser CX 180 or the JBL C200si, which are better sounding earphones. And I also did a comparison video of these earphones, which you can check out from the top right corner in the info card. And I also reviewed the Boat Basshead 152, which you can also check out from the top right corner in the info card. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.